How we doing?
Daughter's gone. Called me an hour ago. I live a half an hour away from here. So she was broke down here, so I came over, gave her my car, and I.
Well, if you want to hop, if you think you have a spare tire in this thing.
Oh, I do. I'll look. Well, this tire just went flat 2 months ago, and we bought a new tire, and that's the same one that went out. I got a brand new set of Goodrich all the way around, but this one went out. Bought a new one. The new one they sold me 2 months ago.
If you want to hop in and start this thing up,
yeah,
kick the ass in over just a little bit,
yeah,
and I'll bring out a jack and shit, and we'll get it changed real quick.
Yeah, I can drive to the tire store a half mile away.
I got you. I heard it clicking.
It's been here about an hour and a half. That's surprising that it died that fast.
She should have called us a lot sooner.
Well, she did, and the first guy got diverted to a...
What?
Yeah, he said he got diverted to an accident, so I called back and said, come on, man,
He didn't get converted, he didn't want to do it.
Well, whatever. Well...
Go ahead and start her up, bud. Go ahead and kick her around. Go that way. That way. Turn your wheel that way. Turn your wheel that way. That'll work right there, bud. That'll work. That'll work. Just leave it running. I'll give you this pop rod.
Parking brake on?
Nah.
I'll get this. Thank you.
Yeah, I wasn't going to break her hood.
Yeah, you
Let me go grab some tools. Some people just ain't got no brains, you know? Typical. They said somebody else to do the job, and then they made up an excuse not to do it. I ain't gonna tell you what company it is. I'm not gonna mention their names out loud, but they're the ones that take care of Independence area. You know, the golden child of this company. I'm not gonna mention their name though. Who pick and choose the calls they're going to do and they ain't going to do. Well, I said, lazy people, man, they just don't want to work.
On the inside. I can't find it. I don't want to stop it.
It's all good. We just throw it in the back seat. That battery needs to run for a little while.
Yeah, I know. It on the remote.
Oh, right there.
Yeah.
So I just had that patch and put it back on.
Where's the patch, right?
Yep.
Instead of a new tire.
Yep. Have a patch and put a patch and put it back on.
Ran over a nail. In and out.
Do what? Oh yeah. I wouldn't spend no money. I'd fix that tire and be done with it. Well, I love this DeWalt.
Get it?
Ooh, look at that snake.
Yeah, I cut it off.
You did it?
Yeah, it was like that. Must have mower must have cut it off.
Must have mower, yep.
Couldn't imagine. Okay, well, I'm back here out and get on the road. Thanks,
There you go, my friend. Have a good one, bud.
Okay, appreciate it.
Just cut your wheel and go. I'll guide you so that we don't get hit out here.
I'm going to back up about foot.
Oh, hell, that thing's got enough horsepower to go. Go, my friend, go! Right there. See the snaky? I don't like snakes. Don't like snakes. Not a snake person. Oh, what a way to start off a Saturday. Yeah, that's what I keep saying, those lazy people, man. Don't want to work, don't want to do the jobs. Can't say it enough. That's fine. I'd have told him, but we're just taking it up, and he's just going down here not even a half a mile. Just go ahead and change the tire and be done with it. Well, like I always say, man, be safe, be careful out on the road. Like and subscribe. Bye, guys.